Hey everyone, hola, aloha, ciao, salut, ni hao, namaste, ohayo, yakamasma, zdravствуйте, привет, bună, dzień dobry, sziasztok, hello, xin chào, yabos yotere, salam alaikum, saskaka, marhaban, merhaba, welcome. I'm trying to make this video nice and quick. It is, unfortunately, we're in February now, but it didn't arrive until yesterday. It's the January edition of Curleebox, Curleebox as in the curly, C-U-R-L-E-E, and then box. So we are going to open it now. It does feel super heavy, so I'm hoping for some goodies in there that I'm going to love. Curleebox costs a total of about £23.95. That's including postage. The box itself is £20, and usually money's taken a month in advance as well. So yeah, I think that's the details, and I'll put the link in the description bar if you are interested. It doesn't just provide products for just curly hair, it's also for afro hair and mixed hair, and you have got loads of different products in there that they normally send. Some of them are usually not yet available in the UK, which is why I love this box. Value wise, it's not the greatest in value, but for me, I love the products that they actually normally bring out. On top of that, a lot of the products that they have got lots and lots of natural ingredients in there, and I've discovered quite a few products that I've ended up loving and buying on a regular basis as well. So I've gotten quite a collection. So the box is here. As you can see, not been opened yet. The seal is still in place. So we are going to go through the box. You've got the card here, which says January Curleebox, and it's got a list of all the items at the back. So I shall read these out. Some of them look a bit familiar. Ooh, but I'm going to open it. So here we go. Here we go. We are unboxing. Woo! It feels really, no wonder why it felt really heavy. Ooh, first item is nice and massive. This one here. Get rid of the dust itself. Right, so, ooh, okay, fantastic. Black Sea, this one is a Savita oil. It is the styling gel. This newly formulated eco styler gel uses the rich in nutrient cannabidiol, is that similar to cannabis oil? I don't know. Cannabidiol oil, which is the non-intoxicating extract from the flowers and buds. It has, yeah, cannabis oil. So intoxicating ones. It has been rated the best eco styler gel to date. So massive amount in there. It is a big one. It's got 475 ml, which for you Americans out there, 16 fluid ounces. All right. So that's that. It's got cannabis, Savita oil, black castor oil, olive oil, for all hair types. Moisturizes, nourishes, protects, adds body, promotes hair growth, shines, alcohol-free, flake-free. Yes, I like the sound of this. I'm just going to have a little sniff. I've got a thing about smelling things. So the seal is in place. So I'm just going to rip that off. And then I can have a good little sniff. Okay, so you don't need to twist it. You just lift the flap there. Ooh, there you go. So you've got the gel there. It's nice and full. Ooh, it has a really nice, clean, refreshing. Yes, smells gorgeous. Okay, so that's the first item. Let's hurry up with this. This one. Next item, this looks very familiar, a brand I've definitely used. This is the Cantu Sheer Butter for natural hair oil, conditioning, creamy hair, lotion, conditions, curls, wavy hair, leaves curls full of body and shine, softens and detangles. Perfect for my daughter. Hair gets knotted like... So I use it. I use this. This was definitely great, and it's actually really light. I've used it before. It doesn't feel too heavy and greasy in the hair either. My daughter has got mixed race, and she has fine hair, but that's actually got different forms of curls, kind of like big curls at the front and tight curls at the back, and a little bit of afro in the middle. Yeah, definitely mixed hair. But it's actually fine hair, and I find that a lot of the products for normal afro hair just too heavy for her. This is actually quite good, so perfect. I will put the total value of the items at the at the end once I find them. Oh yes, I have looked at these and noticed these, but I've not actually used any of them before. These are the Revlon range, so designed for natural hair. I was going to say maternal hair, whatever that is. So this is strengthening conditioner, intense moisture. Après shampoo, well, after shampooing your hair. Let's see what it says on the card. It says black seed oil shampoo, beautiful bounce and less breakage starts here. Revlon realistic strengthening shampoo is infused with black seed oil, proven to strengthen your hair and nourish your scalp. Perfect. I don't mind that at all. I'll be able to use this as well as my daughter. Great. And also final item in here, big size as well, full size. And by the way, 300, I'm sure it's 340 mil. Let's just double check the size of this one. Yes, 340 mil it is. The size of this one was 12 fluid ounces or 355 mils. So this one, what was I looking at? That's the conditioner. Ooh, yeah, that's the conditioner. And this one is the shampoo, again with black seed oil from the same Revlon range. So these are the items. So I'm not too sure how much they come up to. Oh, in here they give you a few other little samples. Again, this one is for Revlon, and this is a strengthening curling custard. Ooh, curling custard in a little sachet, and one off. You can, you know, put custard in your hair. But I've got a little sample there, so we shall try that. And also there's a little, okay, these are just like you know, hairbands that are put in there, and little you know, 3 of them inside, so they're giving you those. So plastic ones. So that's it. So these are all the items in the box. Am I happy with these, and can I see myself using all of these? Absolutely. Is the box more valuable than other you know, boxes I've seen? Not particularly, but because I am happy with the products themselves, and also they still come up to more than £23, including the delivery, then I am a happy bunny. So this is the unboxing. Thank you very much as usual for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you haven't already. Whatever. Yes, and I need to go out, so my hands are cold. And I will speak to you very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.